Kudasol here from CXC. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your music NFT collection on Wax blockchain. First off, you're going to need a collection, which you can make through Atomic Hub. Then head on over to standards.cxc.world. Now you've got a choice. You can use the light version of the standards or the spacetime version, which includes information about when your music was released and where it was released. So we're going to use that one. Then head on over to waxblock.io and find the Atomic Assets contract. Head on over to the Contract Actions tab and locate Create Schema. Type in your name under Authorized Creator. Type in your collection name. And then give your schema a name. The last step is to paste in what you just copied from standards.cxc.world and submit transaction. And that's it. We were successful. So we're going to head back on over to Atomic Hub and we're going to try to mint an NFT. When we select a category, we'll see Mystic Raps magically appears. We're going to select a template, but we haven't made any templates. You're going to have to make a new template for each song or album that you want to release. Don't get scared by all these fields. These are just what the standard provides. You don't have to use all of them for any of your music NFTs. Just choose the ones that fit. Don't forget to post it on the cxc.world music NFT map, where it'll show up here and people can click through to find and purchase your NFT. Locate where you actually recorded this music. Double click and then add your music. You'll put the template ID here, and when you post a song, it'll show up in the map like this. The media from the NFT will be loaded, and anybody can purchase it with just one click, leading them to the best price on the marketplace. Pretty cool.